Hello guys and welcome to Code Shotcut. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to install Laravel Breeze authentication in Laravel 12. So without wasting any further time, let's move to step number 1. Create a fresh Laravel project. Note, if Laravel isn't installed globally, I recommend that you install it first. Assuming Composer is already installed, you can simply use this command to install Laravel globally. Once done, you can simply use this command to create a fresh Laravel project. So let's copy this command. Let's move to git bash. I have already accessed the htdocs folder. I have Laravel globally installed, so I can simply paste this command. Hit enter. For the starter kit, we will select none. Hit enter. For the database selection, we will select MySQL. We don't want to create the database as of now, so I will type no. But we would like to run the npm install and npm run build command, so we will type yes. Hit enter. Okay guys, so our fresh project is ready. Let's move to step number 2. Access the project. So let's do that. Let's move to git bash cd breeze. Hit enter. I have already done it on the Sublime side. Right here you can see. Let's move to step number 3. Install Laravel Breeze package. So let's copy this command. Let's move to git bash. Let's paste it right here. Hit enter. Okay guys, so it's done. Let's move to step number 4, which says that we need to generate the authentication scaffolding. So let's copy this command. Let's move to git bash once again and let's paste it right here. Hit enter. For the stack, we will select Blade. Hit enter. Dark mode, no. Hit enter. Testing framework, 0 or pest. So let's type pest. Hit enter. Okay guys, so it's done. Let's move to step number 5, which says that we need to run the migration. So let's copy this command. Let's move to git bash once again. Paste. Hit enter. And it is going to throw a warning because the database doesn't exist. So we want to create it. So we will type yes. Hit enter. And it's done. Let's move to step number 6, which says that it's time to test. So let's run our server. So let's move to git bash, paste, hit enter. Okay guys, so it's ready. Now let's access it on the browser. And right here you can see our home page or welcome page. Now let's try to register a user. Let's put some details right here. Okay, so I have put some details. Now let's try to register. And we are redirected to our dashboard. Now let's try to access profile and you can see the details right here as well. Now let's try to log out. Let's try login. Now let's put the same credentials right here. Okay, now let's try to log in using the same credentials and we are redirected to our dashboard. So yeah guys, that's about it from this specific video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you, take care, and yes guys, be ready for the next one. Okay, take care.